Hi, so I just want to show you this clip. So this is the stronger clip that I have, and then you can put this pigot here. This is about 35. Then this one you can put like this, and that is a 308 size kind of mount here like this. Then after that you can put this heavy duty ball head, which you can use for your camera. Of course, like with this method, it's stronger than the clip that you showed me. However, of course, there are stronger clips out there lah. This one is very strong. Woo! Yeah, so like, this one will be more secure than the one you wanted. But I got more stronger one. However, I think I don't have stock now. I got the 200 ringgit one. That one more strong lah, but maybe this one may suffice. Depends how heavy is your DSLR lah. So yeah, let me know. Thanks.